Welcome back to Overheat, BMW Motorhome 2026. Aerodynamic and stylish exterior design, sharp, dynamic lines. The RV will avoid the stiff, boxy designs typical of conventional motorhomes and instead have clean, sharp, and dynamic design lines, much like BMW automobiles. BMW Signature Grille, a contemporary version of the recognizable BMW kidney grille, is probably in the works, albeit it might be more proportional to the car's size. Adaptable LED headlights and taillights. BMW is known for its state-of-the-art lighting technologies, including adaptable LED lights and lasers. Special design wheels, big, multi-spoke or double-spoke wheels that are probably composed of a lightweight alloy. High-tech and luxurious interior, premium materials, utilizing premium materials like brushed metal, carbon fiber, veneer wood trim, and premium Dakota or Merino leather. Ergonomic Driver Cockpit, an ergonomic steering area with a digital instrument cluster that resembles the interior of a BMW vehicle. The most recent version of BMW's iDrive infotainment system features touch controls, sophisticated voice recognition, and gesture control capabilities. Customizable ambient lighting. The cabin is equipped with LED ambient lighting that may be tinted to provide various moods. Modern and small kitchen. The kitchen will have a simple yet practical design, with high-end appliances tucked away and surfaces that are simple to maintain. A comfortable sleeping space includes a bed with a top-notch mattress, personal lighting, and sometimes built-in heating or ventilation. Integrated smart home technology refers to the combination of touch panels and apps for controlling smart home automation devices. Better technology and driving performance. Strong and effective engines. If a BMW engine is used, it has TwinPower Turbo technology and is probably a 6 or 8-cylinder diesel or gasoline engine. Adaptive suspension systems, such as air suspension or adaptive M suspension, provide the best possible ride comfort and stability under a range of road situations.